This is the perfect weekend escape near the majestic Kumbhalgarh Fort starts here. This is what Royal Gateway in Rajasthan truly looks like. And this resort is just 5 kilometers away from historic Kumbhalgarh Fort. So welcome to Radisson Blu Resort at Kumbhalgarh, Rajasthan.
I got my head in the clouds so high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds the flame.